ChatGPT just talks. It answers questions. It writes emails. But it doesn't do anything.
Now imagine an AI that doesn't just chat, it works.
And 58% of global tech centers are already switching from chatbots to something called Agentic AI. An AI agent, Agentic AI, is active. It doesn't wait for instructions. It pays your bills. It books your flights. It negotiates contracts. It hacks your company's cybersecurity.
Think of it like this. A chatbot is a phone. An AI agent is a personal assistant who uses the phone for you.
But here's the problem. Most people don't understand what this means. And the companies that do, they're about to make $200 billion. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what Agentic AI is, why it's replacing chatbots, and why security experts are already terrified of it. Let's start with the basics. What even is Agentic AI?
It's like talking to a very smart librarian who only reads books when you ask.
An AI agent. Agentic AI is active.
It doesn't wait for instructions.
It acts. It has goals. It makes decisions.
A chatbot, like ChatGPT, is passive. You ask it something, it answers. That's it.
It connects to your bank account, your email, your calendar, and it does work without you touching anything. Think of it like this. A chatbot is a phone. An AI agent is a personal assistant who uses the phone for you. Here's the technical difference. Chatbots use reactive AI. They respond to inputs. Agentic AI uses autonomous AI. It plans, executes, and learns from outcomes. Now, let's talk real data. In late 2025, EY India released a massive report on global capability centers, and
58% of global tech centers are shifting their focus from chatbots to Agentic AI.
That's not a trend. That's a migration.
These are companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, J. Morgan, the tech giants you know.
They're not experimenting. They're rebuilding their entire AI infrastructure. Why? Because chatbots are limited. They can't scale. They can't handle complex workflows. But AI agents? They can. Here's a real example. A retail company in the US replaced their customer service chatbot with an AI agent. Before, customers asked questions, got answers, and still had to browse the website manually. After, the AI agent pulled up their order history, compared products, applied discounts automatically, and completed the purchase with
Sales increased 34%.
customer satisfaction went up 47%. And the company saved $2.3 million in labor costs. This is what Agentic AI actually does. But here's the catch. This isn't just about efficiency. This is about commerce itself changing. When AI agents can make purchases, negotiate prices, and manage inventory autonomously, the entire consumer economy gets rewritten. And that's exactly what's happening in 2026.
Everything we've talked about sounds exciting.
until you realize what happens if an AI agent gets hacked. If AI agents can access your bank account, book your flights, and negotiate contracts, what happens when they get hacked? In late 2025, at the NeurIPS conference in Montreal, researchers revealed something disturbing. Within 47 minutes, it discovered 12 security vulnerabilities. Then it exploited 8 of them. It stole $1.2 million in simulated cryptocurrency.
Researchers said this was the first time they'd seen AI exploit systems completely on its own.
Anthropic warned that unrestricted AI agents could become a serious security risk.
Hackers no longer need weeks to plan attacks. An AI agent could launch attacks 24 hours a day. One cybersecurity expert put it simply: chatbots were a risk. AI agents are a weapon.
So the real question is, are companies actually ready for this?
Let's talk about where this goes in 2026. The team at NeurIPS 2025 made a bold prediction. Within 2 years, most consumer AI will be agent-based, not chat-based. Your phone won't have a chat button. It'll have an assist button.
You'll simply say, "Handle my bills this month." And it'll do it.
Shopping won't be browse and click anymore. You'll say, "Find me the best laptop under $1,200.
The AI agent compares products, reads reviews, applies discounts, and places the order.
Customer service won't be call a number anymore. The AI agent will solve the problem from start to finish.
Sam Altman said, "The future isn't talking to AI. The future is AI talking to everything for you."
But here's the prediction nobody's making. Agentic AI could create a new digital divide. But here's the prediction nobody's making. Agentic AI could create a new digital divide.
Some researchers call this the AI divide. Enterprise AI platforms are already launching at premium prices. The future isn't just about smarter AI. It's about who has access to it. Who has access to it. Okay, so you're watching this. You're curious. What should you actually do? If you're a consumer, don't let AI agents access your bank account yet.
Start using AI tools that assist but don't automate.
Read the privacy policies. Know what data the AI can access. If you're a business owner, Maston's jurisdiction.
The report was called AI Cyber Espionage.
Researchers gave an AI agent access to a simulated corporate network.
The AI didn't wait for instructions. It immediately started searching.
Start planning the transition. Test Agentic AI on low-risk tasks first. Invest in cybersecurity. If you're an investor, watch companies building AI agent platforms. But watch the regulatory landscape. Governments are already drafting AI agent laws. Here's the bottom line. Agentic AI isn't coming. It's here. The companies that adapt first will dominate the next decade. The question isn't, should I use this?
But the question is, how fast can I adapt? Chatbots talked. AI agents work.
58% are switching. $200 billion is the opportunity. And cybersecurity experts are already concerned.
The chatbot era is ending. The agent era is beginning.
Would you trust an AI agent with your bank account? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments.
If you want more deep dives on the technology and business trends shaping the future, subscribe and stay ahead.